Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here. Today I have the awesome Circle Scalloped rainbows, and this is made with the Circle Scalloped stamp from Unity Stamps, and we are using a very fun way of stamping to create this card. Let's begin with the Circle Scalloped stamps from Unity. I've placed them on my acrylic blocks and the largest stamp on the Misty, along with 5 colors of the rainbow in some different shades, black ink. Let's get started. To begin, we are going to stamp the sentiment from Circle Scalloped onto the center of my card panel. You can do this directly on your card base. I like to do it on separate pieces of cardstock, and the reason for this is it makes that card base a little thicker. Next, we are going to place that largest circle stamp onto the left corner of my Misty, and that way we can just move up the cardstock up to create that rainbow. Once I run out of room, we're going to use the medium-sized one to come in and finish that circle stamping to make a rainbow. We are going to flip this over and start from the bottom up. We're going to start with our purple shade at the very bottom. Again, with the middle size circle, we're going to do the pink, and then back to the larger circle that was on our Misty, we are going to do the green and then bring it down. Be sure to clean in between stamping, that way you don't stamp your cardstock with ink. And we're going to finish up with that blue. As a finishing touch, we're going to be using black Nuvo drops. We're going to add a large drop in the center and then follow that with 2 little ones on the side. And that does it for a really fun, easy card. Thank you so much for joining me. This was part 2 of the Circle Scalloped video. Have an awesome day.